With the expansion of our building and our laboratory facilities, our office, we're really trying to set the stage for the growth of our two newer organic growing areas, which would be REPCO Bakery Solutions and REPCO Nutritional Solutions. Those two areas we're really starting from scratch and have been in those spaces for just a few years. And it made a lot of sense for us to look at those areas since we do the milling work with REPCO Milling Solutions and the millers. So now we're just moving down the chain a little bit to the bakery customers. It's a lot of similar premixes, and we also have a lot of knowledge in the bakery industry. So we're going to utilize the blending capabilities we have. We have plenty of capacity in our blend plant, and we're going to utilize that to grow into these, very symbiotic type industries that go with the milling industry, then baking, and then also over in food with our nutritional solutions business.